Now start class. Beta, I told you to read. Anyone is not listening. Anusha, what you have shared? What is the need of this? Anusha Aman. What is the need of this? You are sharing. Eh? Yes, I told you to read. Why not reading? Tell me then. Start reading now. Or we will waste time only. Yes. What is going on? But I am not understanding what you all are doing. You will read or not read today? Today we will start class or not? Yes, read anyone? No. Yes. Mantasha, don't read. There's no need. Mantasha, it, how much time I told, but you are not listening. No one is listening. You have to read. Time is passing. It is not too much time. You read from here. Fi mabnal masna'i warshatul hadith. Second paragraph. Yes. Full stop is there. Can you see? Full stop is there. Who is reading? Full stop is there, na? Now sentence is complete. Full stop is there. Now translate. Translate the sentence. Fi mabnal masnai. What is the meaning of mabna? Do quickly. Why don't know? Why don't know? Tell me that. Meaning was not written. I'm not asking you all. Who is reading? Only that person I am asking. It shows that all of you haven't written meaning. Mabna, the first day I have written this word meaning. Mabna. And today you are saying that I don't know. You are not. I think that you are not listening audio also again. Only class you are doing. After that, you are keeping it in your bags. You are not opening your books or not checking audios or videos also. Are you listening again? Who? What is your name? Who said yes, ma'am? Faizan. So you are reading and you are saying that meaning. I don't know meaning. This word was written on board, and whenever you will open video, you will find there. So how you are saying that Warshatul Hadid also I have written on the board? All the word meaning that day was written. Second day I have written meaning again. That's why I have started it. What is the meaning of masna? Oh, mabna. Located. Very good. Bana yabni, what is the meaning of Faizan? Bana yabni, what is the meaning of bana yabni? To build. Mabna is building. The thing which is built is called mabna. Yes. Now, translate fi mabnal masnai. Mabnal masnai, mas al masna. What is the meaning of masna? Read, do quickly. Factory. So, fi mabnal masnai. What is the meaning of the sentence? In the building of factory. In the building of factory, when sentence starts like that, after that nakra ism is coming, so we have to translate in the building of factory there is iron workshop and office of sahabil masnai, the owner of the factory. Maktabu sahabil masnai, maktabu office, sahabil masnai, owner of the factory. So there is workshop, office of owner of the factory, ghurfatul istirahati, and the room for rest. Ghurfatul istirahati, room for rest. Yes, rest room. So yaqaw, next sentence. Yes, read and translate. Try to translate also. Yes. Zayuf, this is first time you are reading. Baitu Zoyufi. Yaqaw means located. तो लोग फी जानबिल अयमने, जानबिल अयमने, राइट साइड, जानबिल अयमने. जानबिल अयमने means write the meaning quickly, those who hasn't written. Janibil Ayman, right side. This the meaning I have written at the board. Right side. Janibil Aysar, left side. Whose voice is coming? Who is talking? Left side. Janibil Aysar, left side. Mat'am. Kusum, very good. Matam means hotel and restaurant. Yes, restaurant also. Restaurant. Eh? हाँ तो I have written, but you haven't written ना. You are saying that meaning is not written. Most of the students start telling. 10 times I will write na, so every time you will say that second time again. What is ajanibil aysar? You are not looking in book, it is coming in second line, fil janibil aysari. It is al janibil aysar, means left side. Baitu zuyuf, guest room. Oh sorry, guest house. Guest house. Baitu zuyuf. Daily I will write, and your carelessness is too much that you will not write. As-sakhina. As-sakhina means hot. Written? Now start doing quick reading. What is the problem? Some students are again and again they are joining. Yes. Now. Now start reading. You will not start. No one is there in class? No. Nahdia, what is going on? Nahdia Kutsi, voice is not coming. Mute your mic. Shahri Shanwaz, yes. Start reading. Do quickly. Do quickly. Who is reading? Nadia Kutsi, what you are doing? I told you to mute you. Your voice is also not audible, and you all have to mute your mics. Nahdia Kutsi, you are not listening. Who is reading? Tell me this. Sharish, you are reading, or Nadia Kutsi? Who is reading? Tell me na. Nadia Kutsi, your voice is not clear. Please don't read. Yes, mute your mic. Ismanwar? Are you there in class? Isma? Isma Anwar is there? So many students are there, but no. Sabra Abdullah? Sabra Abdullah? Sabra Abdullah? Unmute your mic and start reading. Too quickly. Time is not there to one. Yes. Istirahati. Yes. Ghurfatul istirahati means restroom. Restroom. Yes. Now translate. Yes. Factory. Building of factory. Hmm. There is a Warshatul Hadid. Beta Warshatul Hadid is also there. Warshatul Hadid means workshop. Iron workshop. Yes. Ghurfatul istirahat. Ghurfatul means room or that it is hotel or restaurant. Ghurfatul istirahat. Rest room. Yes. Next one. Yes. यक़ौ means located, situated. तो यक़ौ फी जानिबिल अयमनी मतअमुल मसनई. Yes. Yes. Right side. Ayman. Right side. Hmm. Hotel of factory. Mat'amul Masnai, hotel of the factory. Yes. Hmm. Okay. The next one. Fine. The next one. Hmm. Hmm. Asbar Raghbatihim. Khizr bin Ibrahim. Mute your mic. Khizr bin Ibrahim. Mute your mic. Yes. Yes, Sabra. Translate. Yakulul ummalu. Mamana akala yakulu? Do quickly. Khizr bin Ibrahim are not listening? Hmm. Akala yakulu. To eat, yes. Yakulul ummalu. Ummal? Ummal means food? Acha. Who is saying? Ummal means workers. Eh? Ummal means workers. Yes. Yakulul ummalu wa zuyufu. Yes. Eh? And the workers and the guests eat. في هذا المطعم, in this restaurant. ويشربون المشروبات الباردة والساخنة, and they drink cold and hot drinks. حسب رغبتهم, according to their wish or according to their desire. According to their wish or according to their desire, you can say. So, Yakulul Ummalu, the workers and the guests eat in this restaurant, and they drink uh, cold and hot drinks, mashrubat drinks, hasba raghbatihim, according to their wish. Yes. Khizr bin Ibrahim, read the next sentence. Sahabul Masnai. Yes. Better translation is compulsory, na? Translation, do translation also. Yes. The factory or owner, the owner of the factory is a nice man. Hmm. Yes. Yes. Hmm. The work and the workers of the factory. He loves the work and the workers of the factory. Ummal al masnai, workers of the factory. People who are working in the factory. Yes. Workers of the factory. Hmm. Now, in the in the countries in the countries of world. Alam is world. Yes. In the countries of the world. Hmm. Yati ilayhi tujjar. Hmm. Yes. Tujjar. Man tajirun. Tajirun means, हाँ, तो याति इलाही तुजारो. हाँ, businessman come. याति इलाही, come to it. Shahri Shanwaz, mute your mic. Yes. Come to it. Better one, it is not that. Tujjar is Jama of Tajirun, plural. So the businessmen come to it to buy their needs. Le sharaye means to buy. Hajatun means needs. To buy their needs from the needs of the iron. Eh, hmm. Their needs of iron, what they want to buy from the iron, they come to this factory. Okay. Now, Here murakkab izafi is there, na? Murakkab izafi. So I am explaining here murakkab izafi. What is murakkab izafi? Under chapter, this is written here. It is written al murakkab izafi. What is murakkab izafi? Yes, compound noun means the noun uh, which is joined. Yes, one noun is related to another noun. For what? For what it is related? To show the relation. To show the relation between between them. Yes, or to show the ownership. To show the ownership. Okay. If you are saying sahabul masnai, you are saying sahabul masnai. What is the meaning of this word? Owner of the factory, है ना? Or factory's owner. Factory's owner. This meaning is this. So this of between them of or s will come. Okay. Owner of the factory. Owner of the factory or factory's owner. In Arabic, Sahabul Masnai. Okay. Here so many muzaf ilayh came. Mat'amul Masnai. Mat'amul Masnai. Also, one more word is there. Masnai. Baitu Zoyufe. What is the meaning of Baitu Zoyufe? By guest house. House of the guest. What is the meaning? House of the guest. We are saying guest house. Okay? Yes. Masnaul Hadidi. What is the meaning of Masnaul Hadid? Masnaul Hadid. The topic name is there. Masnaul Hadid. Iron factory. Means factory of iron. Iron, when we are saying that iron factory means factory of iron. Up now, you will find in all that translation s will come or of will come. Okay, this shows the relation between them. You are saying kalami. What is the meaning of this word? Kalami. Okay, time is over.